Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Harika. So today I'm here to talk about one of the issue and also the resolution, how you can fix the issue, and if you're facing this particular issue, how you can be alert and also make sure that you don't end up falling into this particular scenario and miss your files. So yes, I'm talking about because of the legacy to Windows upgrade, what has happened, there are few issues that people are facing while they are uploading the packages to orchestrator, and they are make sure they are not ensuring that they're including the sources, because of which their packages have been lost permanently. So this is one of the issue that I have seen few people were facing, and I wanted to get some focus onto this particular issue and also to give you a resolution. So if at all you don't have a version controlling system or a backup of a particular package that you're uploading or publishing into the orchestrator, then this video you will find very insightful. So yes, firstly I'll talk about what the issue is by showing step by step, and later I'm going to talk about the solution. So let's say if here is your package. So this is my workspace, and inside my workspace I have my packages, and inside that I have one package. Let's go into this and I will see the versions of it. So I have 1.0.1 version of the package, right? So I'm going to download it. So I have the downloaded version already here in my downloads. So you know it, right? How you can convert from Nugget package to zip and utilize that particular content. So if it's a legacy version, we have .NET, which is 4.5, I believe. So in that, you can see that, let's say if you can just go ahead and change that NUPKG, which is Nugget package, to zip, and after that you can extract, and you will be getting this file. So once after you get this file, usually you can find the whole workable files inside lib, under which you have .NET 4.5 or something of that sort. But here it's net 6.5, 6.0 and Windows 7.5, right? So in this case, you can find the XAMLs inside content, inside which you can find all the XAMLs. But here the scenario is different. I don't have any of my XAMLs that I have published into my package. So if you say really into this particular workflow, I have one XAML, which is a test XAML, and also main XAML, right? So I have these two XAMLs, but which I cannot find after I download the package. So what's the issue actually is, where the issue lies, and how you can get this resolved. I'm going to show you into in this complete video. And if you are facing this issue, please share this across your friends who are facing so, and how they can get this resolved. So that will be a very much help that you can do to them if you don't have, if they don't have a version controlling system in place. So now I am going to, yes, so there is one small thing that you have to consider while you're publishing the package. Okay, so you have to ensure after you click on the publish, and after you say next, usually this include sources would be checked by default. Let's say if it's not checked, then you're going to lose all the XAMLs which you have published as a part of that version of the package. So if you see here, if checked, all XAML sources will be packed within the library, including private sources. These help at debug time, right? So if you don't, then you cannot find the XAMLs. So that's the whole idea. So you have to make sure that you check this and say next, and then upload into the publish orchestrator. So let's go quickly into the orchestrator and check out if we have got. So if you see publish 0 seconds ago, so I've got one more version, but the latest version is active. So we know by default in the modern folder, whatever the package that is linked to the processes, that will be active by default. So let's go hit a download package, and here it is. Got it. So how we can utilize this Nugget package? Make it as, name it as zip file, extract it. Now go inside this version, content, that's it, right? We can see the main and the test one xamls that we have included as a sources. So simple, guys. So this is how you can get your issue resolved. So if you find this video useful, please do let me know in the comments, and also share across your friends if they are facing this issue, particularly after legacy to Windows migration. So yeah, I'll come up with more orchestrated and interesting contents in the future videos. So if you don't want to miss them, please hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you don't get any of the videos, any of the informative content that I put up on my channel on regular basis. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.